Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Wear gloves and eye protection and work in a well-ventilated area to avoid acid fumes and sparks. Confirm you have a replacement 12V battery with the correct group size and at least the original cold cranking amps, typically 550 to 650 cca for many Camry models. Turn off the engine, set the parking brake, and remove keys before touching the 12V battery. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive to prevent short circuits and sparks. Keep metal tools away from both terminals and remove jewelry. Loosen the negative terminal clamp nut using a 10mm socket or wrench and remove the cable from the battery. Next, loosen the positive terminal clamp and move the cable away from the post without touching metal. Remove the hold-down clamp securing the battery. Some Camry models use a rear bracket with a 12mm bolt. Lift the battery straight up using appropriate weight technique. Many batteries weigh 35 to 50 pounds. Inspect cables and terminals for corrosion and clean with a baking soda paste and a wire brush if needed. Place the new 12V battery in the tray with the same orientation and secure the hold-down clamp snugly but not over-tightened. Reconnect the battery cables in reverse order. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative to reduce spark risk. Tighten clamp nuts to about 5 to 8 ft-lb torque or firm hand tight. Avoid crushing the terminal. Clean any battery tray corrosion and apply a thin coat of dielectric grease to terminals to slow future corrosion. Start the engine to verify charging system operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.